Welcome to How a Blank Works. Today, we will be learning about the ACA Hurricane 130 Mk2, or MKII, and learning its story and how it works. The Dairens Tri-State Fire Department really needed a siren for fire calls, tornadoes, and other quote-unquote warnings. There is another model called the ACA Hurricane 130 Mki. It stopped being produced 7 years after due to the design looking like a Federal Signal Thunderbolt series, which looks nothing alike. Here is the populations before. Now here is the populations now. ACA Hurricanes uses 8 10s, 8 12s, 8s, 10s, 12s, and 10-12 ports. A 8 12ths port Hurricane sounds like a P50 winding up really fast. A 8 10ths port is the usual port you get. A 10 port is just the high tone of the 8 10 port. The 12 port at the high tone of a Federal Signal 3T22 if it was not rocky, or whatever you call it. And the 10 12ths port is just a 3T22 but without the rockiness. Thank you for watching this. I really tried to make this accurate and cool, even though this video might be built like a video from Temu. I don't care.